Do you want to make your garden a haven for wildlife? If so, you're in the right place. We're about to explore the importance of fostering a wildlife-friendly environment right in your backyard. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 7 ways to make your garden more wildlife-friendly. Firstly, we begin with the importance of water sources. A pond or bird bath can act as a magnet for wildlife, offering a place to drink and bathe. Secondly, consider planting native species. They provide familiar food and shelter for local wildlife. Lastly, create shelter. This can be as simple as leaving a pile of rocks or logs. These nooks and crannies are perfect hideaways for creatures big and small. With these first 3 tips, your garden will start to become a sanctuary for local wildlife. Moving on, let's delve into the world of composting and avoiding chemicals. Composting is a fantastic way to recycle kitchen and garden waste into nutrient-rich soil, providing a natural food source for your garden's wildlife. Secondly, steering clear of harmful chemicals means your garden becomes a safe haven for all creatures, great and small. After all, nothing beats a garden bustling with life. By composting and avoiding harmful chemicals, your garden will not only be a haven for wildlife but also an eco-friendly space. Lastly, we address the importance of providing food and leaving some areas wild. One of the easiest ways to encourage wildlife is by offering food. By planting native species that produce berries, seeds, or nectar, you can attract a variety of birds, insects, and mammals. Additionally, consider leaving a section of your garden wild. This doesn't mean neglect, but rather allowing nature to take its course. Let grass grow long, leave piles of leaves, and let wildflowers bloom. These areas can provide habitats for a plethora of species. By implementing these 7 tips, you can transform your garden into a true wildlife haven. Remember, every small action can make a big difference for our planet's biodiversity. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Let's put these into practice in our own green spaces. Remember, every small effort counts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Together, we can create greener and more wildlife-friendly spaces.